why you're getting better all the time. And turning all against one isn't all that hard to change. Another clever word sets off an unsuspecting hurt. And as you step back in the line,